This short video is simply going to tell you how to make money online in the easiest possible way. What every online marketer needs is good, quality, targeted traffic. You need targeted web visitors. With targeted traffic, even a bad site will make money and a good site will make even more money. But without targeted traffic, even the best site will not make money. Paid advertising is usually disappointing. It's just money seeming to fly out of your wallet and you never see any returns for it. The problems are most people will not buy when they're first exposed to an ad. And ads cost money. And high quality, multiple exposures are becoming more and more expensive. And that's why 99.9% of advertisers end up quitting before the positive results begin to kick in. But there is a solution. For every problem, there is a solution that will lead you to success. And our solution is a one-time low $5 price that keeps generating more and more ads that buyers keep seeing. Real buyer traffic on autopilot to your website. It's responsive advertising for as many offers as you like. And with our unique system, you just keep getting more and more ad credits with no recurring fees, no recruiting, and no referring required. Now, I know this may already sound too good to be true, but it gets even better because we have a big bonus for you. In addition to your advertising, you will be in a passive income plan that will keep paying you $2.50 payments over and over and over again. Every time you receive additional free ad credits, so your advertising will always run at a profit. In fact, this is passive income whether you choose to use the advertising or not. And given time, every $5 position held will return you over $700 paid to you in USDT. That's crypto tether tokens worth $1 each. If you choose to recommend this system to others, your income will be greatly enhanced with enormous potential from 100% matching bonus payments, $700 every time you refer somebody that wants to benefit from this amazing system. Every time they get $2.50, you get $2.50. Every time they get $20, you get $20. Every time they get $50, you get $50, and so on. It's a win-win situation, and that leads to personal success based on the success of others. The only way you can lose is by not participating. So get the facts and get started right now. There's a link below this video. Start now, not tomorrow. This is brand new. People are going to be flooding in. God bless.